In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning homemade pizza from scratch in under 30 minutes. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or a seasoned cook looking for something fun, this simple yet delicious recipe will have you enjoying fresh, customizable pizza without waiting for delivery. To start, gather your ingredients. You'll need store-bought pizza dough, about a pound of it, set it on the counter and let it come to room temperature while you prepare everything else. Room temperature dough is easier to handle and will stretch beautifully. Next, preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. A hot oven is crucial for a crispy crust, so make sure it's fully heated before baking. Grab a pizza stone or a baking sheet and place it in the oven as it preheats. This will transmit heat directly to the crust, enhancing the crunch. Now prepare your workspace by lightly flouring a clean surface. Flour your hands as well. This helps prevent sticking as you shape the dough. Gently press outwards, turning the dough occasionally until you have a roughly 12-inch circle. Don't worry if it's not a perfect circle. What matters is an even, thin crust. With your dough ready, transfer it onto a piece of parchment paper. This makes it easy to slide the pizza onto the hot stone or baking sheet later. Now take half a cup of pizza sauce and spread it evenly, leaving about an inch of crust around the edges free. Feel free to adjust the amount based on how saucy you like your pizza. Next, sprinkle around 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Scatter it evenly for a nice blend of gooey and crispy textures in every bite. At this point, it's time for the fun part. Toppings. You're the chef, so get creative. Whether it's classic pepperoni, sliced mushrooms, bell peppers, onions, or maybe even some fresh basil and tomatoes for a margarita variation, the choice is yours. Remember not to overload, as too many toppings might make the pizza soggy. Once your masterpiece is ready, carefully slide it along with the parchment paper onto the preheated stone or baking sheet using a pizza peel or an improvised tool like a cutting board. Timing is everything here. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese bubbles with a slight browning. Keep an eye on it towards the end to prevent burning. Your kitchen will be filled with an irresistible aroma as it approaches readiness. When it's done, remove the pizza using the peel, letting it cool for a minute or two before slicing. Use a sharp knife or a pizza cutter for best results, and there you go, a delightful, customizable homemade pizza ready to be savored. Enjoy your dish, and don't forget to share this recipe with someone who loves pizza as much as you do.